Locked on target.
Ow! Oh my youth, who did that?
I'm gonna have to wake him up again. This is so fun.
What do you want to get?
Come on, let's go do something. I'm bored. Here, take this gun.
Here.
Here, take this boring one. Maybe I should get the cool one. I'm gonna make it this one. Okay. Yep, that's what you do. Shoot. Come on. Let's go. Come on, Ollie. And when you can't shoot anymore, you press, you reload. Come on. It's daytime. Perfect. Oh, Oliver, run. Oliver, put the gun away. Run away. Hide. Over here, Oliver.
Good morning, everyone.
Get back here.
Your host, Jeff Bateman, with Creative Morning
Over there.
News. Let's get into it. It's flu season.
Now,
If you feel
hide
yourself
right
coming
over
down
here.
with sickness,
Okay?
please go to the
Wait,
containment
nope,
hospital
put your gun
immediately.
away.
The town has enough
Lean
food
against the wall, okay? I'll
free
take care of this.
for a maximum of 4 days while you are sick. Take care of yourself.
When I shoot, that's
Officer
your
Owen,
signal to
down
come
all over
out,
the
okay?
street. Thank you for tuning in to our radio channel. Let's get back into some music.
Reload again. Oh, that's scary. Shoot. What? I'll get you.
People.
Go to.
Oh, shush.
You want some boy?
Oliver, put it away.
Ah.
Or I'll take it away. Come on.
One time.
We're gonna go shopping and go get some stuff for
I
here.
get mad.
No.
I'm gonna eat while I'm waiting.
Let's go.
Don't go too fast.
Or just wait. Oliver. Okay, just wait, Ollie. Okay?
Chicken noodle soup.
And let's go. Yeah. Put that away. Because we're walking. Come on. Come on.
Where are we going? Stop messing around.
I don't.
What annoying shooting they have. That's annoying going.
And we're here.
This This place looks abandoned.
Yeah, I know.
Maybe.
But it basically has weapons. See? And many other things.
I know I can't run super fast. Let me practice. See it.
Haha! Perfect. I just need to do some research.
What's your name again? It's your name again. Can I open this door and see what's in
No.
I'm going.
It's just the outside.
Kind of boring. While you're waiting, I'm gonna eat chicken soup.
Okay, Oliver. I got some research. Well, it's actually quite interesting.
I got some stuff. I got
Come on.
a lot of stuff. I found.
Ooh, phones. Let me use this. Dead. Come on.
Oh, I found solutions. And never one with soup in your hands. I only have to because I have to. Lily, this place is abandoned. Help me. Lily.
What? What old place isn't abandoned?
This place is abandoned.
Isn't. We have to make sure that no one finds us, okay?
You locked the cage door.
Come on. Get in here.
They get you to soup.
And Oliver, don't be loud. Don't be loud. This isn't our place. You have to be quiet and sneak and get stuff that people realize.
I got
What?
soup and a boy right here. I got soup
Cool.
and a boy right here. I got a lot of stuff I found. But
Cool.
soup is all abandoned.
Perfect.
My mom.
Here.
Oh,
You're gonna get stuff too.
okay. Tell me when you're done getting your stuff.
Okay. Got your stuff? Good. Now I need to test this out and see how good it is. That's interesting. What's yours? Good, same thing, but kind of a different type.
Oh, pretty, kind of nice.
At least I got beans.
So gross.
Excuse me.
Ew.
Your drink. I think I hear people coming. Hide. Over here.
Hide behind you. Hide behind you. The perfect hiding spot. How are you moving? You're in the special hiding spot. Yo, wait, not in my face.
Give a better spot. I'm not trying it. Try and get over here. Okay, just have to stay here.